Well folks, here's a quick one today. I originally intended on doing a unboxing of a 1960 Corvette from AMT 125 scale, and when I opened it up I found a partially built kit inside, and so I went ahead and just put the rest of it all together. All the paint and everything, details like along the dash and all that were done, I don't know, probably 22 years ago maybe. I almost didn't even remember this kit. It's kind of funny. I opened the box and I was like, what the heck is that? So there you go, just a little bonus video for you guys this time. Hope everyone's having a great day. We will see you on the next one. Keep on modeling. Model Car Guy Rich out.